We got the crane, I got a plan of action. We got some big rocks to set. It's gonna be an exciting day. So I'm coming here to help set this rock. You can see some of the plumbing that we did this morning. Here we've just done 1-inch feeds because we don't want a ton of water. It's gonna get a nice flow out of a 1-inch pipe, but not overwhelming. And here we've created like a little stream that's gonna come out underneath this rock. It's gonna look super cool. So there's the rock we just set, and right underneath it is the water feed. So we'll get like a stream cascading down through all that rock work. Kind of getting blocked by that cement block right now, but it's gonna be a beautiful stream right there. So that's the top of the waterfall right there, and from there we gotta just kind of stair step it up to cap over that wall veneer right there, which will create steps, and then also the rooftop to the tunnel underneath it. So while we got the machine back there, we decided we're gonna set a couple of boulders right along the beam of the pool. What we want to do is we want to do some big ones, some a little bit smaller. Right there where it's low, where we got 2 flat rocks, that's going to be like a little entrance from that seat out of the pool to get up the back steps to the water slide. So to kind of frame that entrance, we're doing this chunky boulder just on the other side of those rocks so that it's like a little break through the mountain. Up a little, we got to push it over.
Let me break that.
Yeah, we'll probably break that off. All right, let it down. Just let it down. See what we gotta do right here to get the rocks tighter. It's this point sticking out. We gotta kind of break this off like that, and then this rock will fit perfectly right up into there, making a nice tight fit. No, it's out of the way enough. Let me make a quick little cut in it, and then we can just gnar it up with the hammer. Super sketchy rock maneuver. That strap is barely on there. The straps kept wanting to roll out and the rock kept falling. Now Chris has to drive in, try to get it into place. We're trying to get these 2 rocks closer together. This one big one's overhanging the pool so much it wants to fall in, and we got to curl it in. All right, go slow now. All right. See what we're doing by doing that is closing this gap in the rock. All right, a little more. Yep, okay, now it's touching tight. All right, let off on it carefully. Hopefully this big boulder doesn't come falling down on me.